Hi to everyone. So we're doing calculus, and this is function and graphs, and then we will do the derivative and the integration. So in the graph, first of all, what is x-intercept? So the point of line which cut x-axis in xy plane, such as point a0, is called x-intercept. Number second is the y-intercept. So the point which a line cut at y-axis called y-intercept. So we can write down x-intercept like a, this one, and y-intercept like 0 into a. Similarly, like any x, excuse me, per any point, we need in xy plane, we need x and y. So let's say at any point we have this 1 and 4. So it means that 4 is on y-axis, which where the line touch, and 1 is on the x-axis. So this is called x-intercept and y-intercept. The third one is a linear function graph. So the graph of the linear function is always a straight line like this. Let's say it's 4. So this is always a straight line, and is can be written as y is equal to f of x. So this is the linear function graph. The Well, there is another important thing in calculus and in mathematics and graphs and trigonometry. The intersection of two lines, the intersection of the two linear function. The intersection of two linear function um, is called the solution set of the function. It's very important. So if you have two straight line like a and b, this is the first linear function, and the second one goes from this way, c and d. So these are the two function. So this is the solution set. Solution set, and that's your answer. So what you do, you can find this is the x value and this is the y value. So here definitely will be let's say x is 3 and y is 4. So that's your answer. It will satisfy both the this is called a solution set. But you keep in mind that the point of intersection of two linear function is a solution set of the both function. And we can find solution both by graph and algebra. We can use both. By both method we can find the solution. So the fifth one, the graph of the quadratic function is always parabola. When the power of the x is 2, so it's called quadratic function. So we have done some example on this. So it's usually like this. If a is greater than, if you remember, 0, if a is less than, so then it's come like this. So this is the graph of quadratic function. And the graph of the x power cube, x cube or x power 3 are symmetric to origin. To origin. It's like this. So it's like this. And there is another most important thing which you need to remember: inverse of a function. Let's say y is equal to f of x. So x is equal, what would be the x? X is equal to f inverse y. It's not like this, that if this is x and if you need, so you can find x inverse. It's not like this. This is different. Inverse of a function, y is equal to f of x, only let's say in y is equal to f of x. Uh, this is dependent variable and this is independent. So what in the inverse, only the x will become the dependent and y will be become a independent. It's, yeah, so you can do like this. And the most important thing is number 7, which you need about the function. So let's say if y is equal to f of x, so it's, this is only y is the function of f of x if and only if one point uh, of exactly one point of x exactly make one point of one point of x exactly make one point change in y. So this will be y is the function of f of x, 1 and 1. Other than that is not a function. So these are important things which I shared with you. I think I did domain. So another video we gonna I gonna give you idea about the real number and trigonometric identities which we need, and the addition and subtraction of the angle of the trigonometric function. So I hope you enjoying the video, and please subscribe to the video. Thank you and have a nice day.